Hi people, Simon is speaking. Another thing I wanted to mention to you, when I tried to paint polygons, because some objects I couldn't properly select, I will show you. There's one interesting option, because I used the polygon paint. When you see origin, you can only select like that, but you see origin. If this is not here, you cannot select. I will show you what I mean. By using pen selection tool, Ctrl Shift Alt C, origin to geometry. Now we have origin here. When I try to paint, I am able to select roof tiles. I think we have to fix our origin. Another thing is, I probably have to check something. This is deselected. Okay. Ctrl Shift Alt C. Set origin. I believe you also have option here. Set origin. Origin to geometry. In context menu. Oh, I like this option. Bound center. Oh, I like that option. This will allow me to paint polygon. The reason why I selected like that, if you use a polygon paint tool, you can select easy. Why is this moved? The reason is, wait a minute people, I don't like when I selected by using paint polygon tool. For some reasons, it selects roof tiles. You can always deselect this, but I'm not happy. I'm not happy because of that. Oh, I know why this happens. Because we didn't fix origins here. So that is why when I tried to select top roof tiles by paint polygon tool, I selected not as I wanted. Okay. Now we will be able to fix that. Set origin to geometry. Let's check our tool. You can see oh no, I'm not happy with those roof tiles. I wish I could discover this little bit quicker. We will do the same here. Because it will be quicker for me to select. Because you can use paint tool to select. Okay, this is okay. Let's check this. Okay, I will check my polygon paint tool. But make sure you go to these options, because we have relation origins. You can deselect this, but I consider it to be important. I'm glad that I decided to publish video tutorial because this will speed up selection process when I use Paint Polygon tool. Because I want to quickly assign materials to roof tiles. Object, link transfer data, link materials. This is why I wanted to publish a tutorial about option origin to geometry. What option was called origin to geometry? Bounds center. Okay, I hope you like my new video tutorial, people. See you, have a nice evening.